Alright, so I'm not too sure what I need to be recording here. This is all strictly just for the class purposes, so I'm at 10 seconds right now. I need to talk for at least 2 minutes. So I'm just going to introduce myself. My name is Donovan Montalvo. I'm a junior accounting major here at Texas A&M University Kingsville. Currently taking the BCOM online class. I'm not really too sure what to talk about here. Of course, this is just an intro. I'm trying to play around with the software. For the most part, it seems pretty simple. I'm going through all the different things here. It's basically just a lot of upgrading and trying to get you to log on and sign up and whatnot. So, but as far as I know, for the most part, this is pretty simple. Lists everything out you need to know. It's screencast-matic or cast-o-matic. So I'm excited to play around with this. I'm definitely going to work with it more to see all the things I need to go through, all the things I need to do to get ready for the projects that are coming up in the future. But for now, I'm going to, I guess, sign up and figure everything out.